One.
Greetings, and peace. Welcome everyone to Body Conscious Sunday, where we talk about the body, how it functions, and how we can help keep it functioning well. Well, today, just want to say thank you for participating in the Facebook post, and I hope up to now that the posts have been helpful. I've been talking a lot about the digestive system, which we're going to continue talking about today. So there's more to come. It's very important to keep the digestive system working properly because 80% of your immune system is where? It's in your gut. That's right. So it's important to keep your gut healthy so that you can stay healthy too. All right. So continuing on with the digestive system, we're talking about the liver today. As I mentioned last week, today's Body Conscious Sunday will be about the digestive system. Yes. And it will be about the liver specifically. So in our body, we have, this is the digestive system, and part of it is the liver. As you can see, it's located on the right side, upper, in a cavity here in this area. And as you can see, the liver, this organ processes nutrients and stores bile. Okay. Also, I'd like to let you know about the liver. It filters, processes, and breaks down chemicals that you take in your body. It also filters and processes the blood, alcohol, and any drugs that you may be taking. All right. The liver and the gallbladder produces bile. And what is that for? To break down fat that's in your food. And the liver also expels out toxins that you put into your body. Okay, so it's very important to keep this organ healthy and functioning well because we're beating it up every day. We got our fried chickens, we have our French fries, we have those good old ribs, if you're still eating meat, and you have a lot of chemicals that you're taking in, perhaps some drugs or medication, which is another drug. And so the liver is constantly working for us. So we want to help it to do whatever it's supposed to be doing, its job, and do it well, right? Okay. So today, I'm just going to get straight to it. We're talking about juicing with a purpose. And this is, the focus today is juicing for the liver. And I have listed here, I won't be too long, different plants that are good for the liver to maintain its health and to nourish it and keep it functioning well. We have ginger, turmeric, purple carrot, apple, beet, and I like to include the leaf too. Celery, cucumber, green beans, parsley, pumpkin, if you could find it in the stores, that's good to have. 2 cloves of garlic. If you have a sensitivity to garlic, you can leave it out. You don't have to use it. And also red bell pepper. Today I'm using red bell pepper and a yellow bell pepper. I wasn't able to find pumpkin, but it still will be effective. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to juice in a juicer here. If you don't have a juicer, I suggest that you get one soon, very soon. It's important to have this in your kitchen and also a blender. When you juice, it takes like 15 minutes for the juice to enter into your bloodstream. That's fast, okay? And we want to move fast when we are talking about helping our body to function well. Okay, so I'm going to turn on the juicer here. May make a little bit of noise, but still it's just doing its job. I'm putting in some turmeric. We had the red bell pepper. Also the beets. The juice flowing through. Apple. Some ginger root. Oh yeah. Yellow bell pepper. I use carrots. I prefer the red carrots, or you can say purple carrots, over the orange, because the orange have a lot of sugar in them. They're hydrated. We got cucumbers. And put that cucumber in you. That silica is important. Turmeric, good for the inflammation. More beets. A little bit of iron in there. Celery. And we have some beautiful parsley here. That's pretty. Just a little bit. You don't want to use too much parsley, as it can affect the nervous system, make it a little jittery. So I just use a small amount of the parsley. Another carrot. And also some green beans. Oh yeah. Some green beans. I want to make sure I get these in here. And today we have garlic, just the 2 cloves. I'm gonna throw that in here too. Just a little bit of juice comes out, but for some people that's enough. Now we have the beet leaves, the leaves that were attached to the beets. We have a little bit left in the bowl. I have some room. I'm going to go ahead and add those, what's left, into the container. There you have it. We have a nice full container of fresh juice. And what you do is just take it, stir it up. Natural juice, no sweetener. The apples will help sweeten it. Okay. I stir mine up, and then I drink a full glass of this. If you make enough, you can have some in the morning, and you can have some at lunch and at dinner if you make enough. So this here, I drink a full glass of this 3 times a day, sometimes twice a day. And I know that's helping to nourish my liver. Also, I wanted to add to it that, put this back. There are other things besides the plants that I just juiced here that are good for the liver. We have here a tea, milk thistle, yellow dock, wild yam root, dandelion root, red clover, burdock root. And there are other herbs that are good for the liver. Wasn't able to list all of them here. But you would take equal parts of these dry herbs, put them in the bag, shake them up, and take a teaspoon, put it in a diffuser, and or infuser, if I'm saying it correctly, and you put in your cup in some hot water and let it steep for about 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, and then drink it 3 times a day. And that's a good liver cleanse right here. Very good. These herbs are excellent for the liver, cleansing them, getting rid of the fat that's on your liver from the diet, replenishing it. Milk thistle is a wonderful herb. With milk thistle, it tonifies and detox your liver and your gallbladder. Iron dock is a good source of iron That's yellow dock, is a good source of iron. Wild yam root, female hormone balancer. It's also soothing to your digestive tract, okay, diverticulitis, and it's good for the gallbladder. Dandelion root, it's a bitter, but it's really good. It's good. It's natural potassium, natural. It's cleansing for the liver, and it tones the liver, and it's helps the digestive system. So all your organs respond well to dandelion root. You got red clover, it's a good blood cleanser. Burdock root also is a strong liver purifier. So taking these herbs as a tea, I suggest you do that. If you are a meat eater, a good liver cleanse 4 times a year. So every season, winter, spring, summer, fall, I suggest that you cleanse your liver that often. Excuse me, if you are a vegetarian like myself, you can do it once a year, maybe twice. So I hope this information, try to keep as brief as possible, is helpful for you to take care of your liver, which is part of your digestive system. And once again, 80% of your immune system is in your gut, and it's very important to take care of that. As a bonus information, papasremedygarden.com is where I go for a product called Peaceful Gut. If you have issues with leaky gut, IBS, diverticulitis, gas and bloating after meals, problems digesting your food, just don't digest as well as you used to, that steak. This is really good at helping keep your gut cleaned out. It soothes and calms it and strengthens it. This is a very good product. I suggest you go to the website. Once again, you can see it here. It's papasremedygarden.com, and get you some Peaceful Gut. Take this every day. Basically what I do, shake it up real good. These are natural herbs, so they'll settle. And then I just take 3 dropperfuls. I fill the dropper up, take it 3 times. That's 1, 2, and 3. Take this every day before my meals. Excellent, excellent product. Drink that with plenty of water, maybe 2 full glasses, about the same size of this glass here of water, and start working on your gut today. So guys, that's it. I'm going to drink my juice in a minute and enjoy my evening. Thank you for watching. There's more to come. And until next time, love your body, take care of your body, and peace.